Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You already have position versus time values. Start by labeling horizontal axis as time in seconds and vertical as position in meters. Plot each point precisely using your table and draw a smooth curve or straight segments through them. Once done, compute deltx and deltit between neighboring points and write those differences on the sheet. Make sure scales are uniform so slopes reflect real rates. This initial setup turns raw numbers into a readable motion picture. You now convert position changes into velocity by calculating slope. V equals deltx divided by deltit for each interval. Plot each resulting v value at the midpoint time of its interval to represent average velocity. This avoids phase errors. If you have a smooth curve and need instantaneous velocity, draw short tangent lines and measure their slope. This gives v at that moment. Also, label axes, time in s, velocity in m/s, and add arrows so the reader knows direction. You finish by turning the velocity series into acceleration. Calculate as the change in velocity over the change in time for each interval and plot those values at mid-interval times. If acceleration is constant, the plot will be a flat line. If not, expect peaks and sign changes. Make sure to include a zero reference line so positive and negative acceleration are clear. If the curve looks noisy, smooth velocities or reduce deltit and recompute to check for measurement error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.